Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Let me see. Let me help you.
I want to show you this Elik Smart Interactive Robot, and this intelligent robot is designed for desktop mainly or any table. Now there is some action shown on the box itself, but when you open the box, of course you have the little robot itself, which I'm gonna come back to it shortly, but there is also instructions in the box. Next you have the charging wire, and then some of these pretend snacks. So you have some pretend drinks and cookies and etc. Now this smart robot looks actually really cool. He has this very unique design, and this robot is attached to this platform. Now on the bottom of this platform you have some little rubber ring around, which should prevent the smart robot from sliding on the desk, and there is also charging port on this platform too. Now when you plug this robot in, you will see on the little display that is charging, and you can use this robot when it's already charged or even when it's still plugged in, which is nice. Now this is the best part. When you put this robot on, it will most likely have this nice interactions. And that's even when you don't do anything with it yet. Sometimes though this robot will be a little bit grumpy, so you can tickle his head on the top or the back of the robot and he will become sweet again. This little robot has a lot of different interactions though. It kind of seems like it has mind of its own. One thing is for sure, this little Elik robot doesn't want to be picked up, because if you do pick it up, this is his reaction. Which is definitely unique. You can also adjust the volume of this little robot, but since this robot is not very loud per se, I usually put it on the higher volume, and that works the best. You can also play many different games with this little robot, like this game for example, and you're gonna try to guess which one is the correct box. It has also the voice repeat mode. Hey robot, how are you? Then the child could play fishing with it. And even shoot the targets on the screen and etc. And the one that I really like, it has this kind of beats mode. So basically you can clap your hands slow or fast, or make some beat with your mouth, and this little robot will play some fast or slow rhythm. Boom, 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 boom. And dance to it too, which is really something else. So here is an example with the faster beat. What I really like about this robot is that he has this really child-friendly interactions. The voice is kind of sweet too, and this is even a really nice toy desk for adults actually, but especially for kids that will be a lot of fun for sure. And with all its interactions and different moods and basically the child being able to pet it and etc., I think this would be absolutely an amazing gift and great buy for that price too.